Welcome back. This is part 3 from our Glow from Within series, where we're just inviting beautiful, radiant energy to our face, our skin, and our whole body. So today we're going to be working on our eye area. So let's get started. So we are going to get started by taking a nice deep inhale and exhale. Releasing any tension that we're holding. Beautiful. If you haven't already, I'm going to apply a little bit of face oil here to our eye area. You can apply any kind of face oil that you want, or if you have an eye cream or anything like that that you like, just apply it underneath the eyes very gently here. And we can even apply a little bit here on our eyelids. So we are going to get started by doing some tapping movements here, right underneath our eye area, and moving all the way up to our brow bone here. Just sort of waking up our eye area here, releasing any tension. So this is a wonderful technique that you can do if you been on the computer or on your phone for a long time and you're kind of straining your eyes. This is a really wonderful technique to sort of just wake up the eye area and release any tension. Wonderful. All right, so we're going to gently take our index fingers here now and gently move all the way out from the inner corner here, moving all the way out to the temples. This is gently helping to release the tension here, but it's also working on increasing some lymphatic drainage here because we tend to have a lot of kind of tissue tension and a lot of fluids underneath our eyes here, which is causing the puffiness. And we're just gently moving all the way out. Wonderful. Next, we are going to start working on our temple area here, but really, again, moving all the way here, moving all the way up in our temple area. So one hand is kind of moving outwards like this, and the other hand with the fingers is moving up. So we're really just kind of lifting this whole eye area here. And it's amazing what this technique does because we're working on our temple area, and when we're stimulating and touching this area, it's really helping us calm, reduce any tension, and at the same time, it's also just kind of lifting our eye area here. Take a nice deep breath. Close your eyes if you want. Wonderful. You see how my eye is looking a little bit more lifted already here just by taking a couple minutes doing this. So we're going to do this other side. So we're going to take our fingers here again and make sure you have enough oil here underneath your eyes so it helps with like the glide. You don't want to tug on the skin at all. So again, we're moving with our other hand now, we're moving outwards like this. And so we're just gently smoothing out our eye area here, lifting our eyes. It's a wonderful little eye lift. Take a nice deep breath. Wonderful. Let's see. Yeah. Eyes are looking way more awake and a lot more lifted. Wonderful. So we're going to end this routine again by just rubbing our palms together, getting nice and warm. And then we're going to place our hands over our eyes here, really sealing in that calm and releasing that tension, sealing in that energy and beautiful radiant glow. Nice deep breath again. Exhale. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, this is a practice that you can come back to anytime you feel the need, when you want to wake up your eyes a little bit and make them look a little bit more lifted. So next, we are going to be working on our lips and our cheek area. So I'll see you in the next one.